Hello my friends, today I want to show you how to remove the factory bushings from the camber arm. Here you can see it. I have removed the first bushing from its place and now I will try to remove the second one and share how I am doing it with you. For this I will need this type of tube, which I will insert on the one side of the camber arm itself. For the safe removing of the bushing, you need clearance here, and also I will need the threaded shaft here. You can see. Make sure that your shaft is enough heavy duty, otherwise the shaft will be bent here and you will not achieve the final result. And I also will need two sockets. First is 29mm and the second one is 26. As I remember, this socket is mandatory to put it on the outer diameter of the bushing and push it to remove this bushing from its place. Here you can see. Now I will make this construction ready and everything will be obvious here. So some washers, the nuts, and here you can see, guys, the construction is ready. I will now put it to the vise and show you how it works. Make sure that the socket will meet on the outer diameter of the bushing, I mean the ring, very good. So my friends, I have inserted it to the vise. The bottom nut is secured with the jaws of the vise, and now I will work with the top nut and try to remove this bushing from its place. So my friends, here the puller is inserted to the vise. The bottom nut is secured with the jaws of the vise, and now I will try to work with the top nut and remove the bushing from its place. Once again, guys, make sure that the socket is met with the outer ring, metal ring of the bushing, otherwise it will stuck and it will very difficult to remove the socket from there. So let's grab now a 90mm socket, because the nut is 90mm here. Some ratchet. I recommend the long ratchet, and try to start the tightening this nut. As you can see here, everything goes very free. I am not using here any grease or other stuff, rust remover and other stuff, only steel parts. And here you can see that nut is tightened very freely, and the bushing started to remove from its place. You see here that the socket goes through the place where bushing is installed from factory. Now let's see if the bushing started really to unpress from its place. Make loose this construction and see, and yes, guys, the bushing started to be removed from its place. Now I will change the socket and show you the further details about removing this part. So my friends, I have changed the socket. This is smaller socket. It meets the outer ring of the bushing, the metal ring, better compared to the bigger one I was using previously. And now I'm continuing to tightening the top nut. This pushes the socket inside of the place where bushing sits, and this allows us to remove the bushing from its place into the tube I have showed you previously. Everything works here very good without any grease and any penetration oils here. Now let's see, have we any result here. I will loose the top nut and also remove the arm from the vise and show you what is the result, the middle result here. And of course the result is good. The bushing started to be unpressed from its place. Now let's tighten everything, make the construction ready, put it into the jaws of the vise and finish the work finally. Guys, as I know, every rear suspension arm have the same diameter of the bushings on the W210, except the rear toe arms, which have different bushings. So this puller will work for me majority of the arms of my car. So let's finish the job. I am continuing to tighten the top nut, and you can see here that the socket goes through the control arm and it pushes the bushing from its place, and bushing is removed in the good manner. Here no special pullers and no expensive stuff is mandatory here. Everyone can assemble this type of puller in her or his garage and work with it with pleasure. And here you can see that bushing is removed finally. Now remove this puller from the vise and see what we have here. Remove the bottom nut, the washers, the tube, and here is the 25 years old bushing, which was removed very freely from my car. Here it is, my friends. Hope this video was enough good for you. If you like, make sure to subscribe. Any questions, I will answer on them. Feel free to ask. We'll catch you in the next episodes. Thank you for watching and goodbye.